The IT and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, seriousness vibes done. This is about laughter and fun. No malice or meanness, just joke we run. Notice, put down or offense is intended. Light heart and open mind highly recommended. Hashtag laughing time.
Just a minute. Because of recent developments, we have decided to give Mama P a calm translator for press conferences and interviews. So you can go ahead.
Thank you. Listen, Madam Prime Minister, the Jamaican people have become aware of your excessive spending of valuable resources on recent trips. Would you care to say what is the purpose of these trips?
Listen, I am the Prime Minister and I do whatever I want to do. Whose money is it? Is it your money? It's my party money. I can't go tour too?
What she meant to say is the recent trips that I have been taking is for the benefit of the Jamaican people. Yes. And they receive funding for infrastructure building in the country.
Thank you very much. Okay, next question. Recently you were accosted by some males demanding constitutional change. Will this ever happen in Jamaica?
I don't want you to test my faith in here today. I have the blood of Nanny and the heart of Marcus Garvey, and I shall not be moved. God sent me here for a reason, and it's only God can remove me. I wasn't sent here for no woman, and no man is going to move me. Understand that?
Yes, thank you, Madam.
Mama P, you're giving me a lot of work today, man. What she meant to say was, we have been in further discussions, we've been having further discussions on the matter, and it will take some time to iron out. But as soon as the issues have been remedied, we will notify the public.
Thank you. Good. One last question, Madam Prime Minister. Recently, there have been some infighting in the party. How do you explain this?
Just take a breath before you go. Breathe.
Look here now. You're not going to draw my tongue here today. You see, my party is as firm as the rock of Gibraltar.
Yes.
And my children are well taken care of.
Yes.
It's customary that they'll fight from time to time, but they know how to work together to benefit this party.
Thank you, Madam Prime Minister.
What she means to say is, don't draw me tongue today, and don't trouble this girl. This party have one leaders, and that is how it will remain.
Yes.
And if any one of them think them bad, tell them to meet me outside.
Yeah, okay, good. Thank you very much. That was the last question. In fact, I had one last question about the, that'll be all.
Well, I guess this has been a very productive session. Just as long as Mama P and her calm translator keeps their cool, we're good to go.
Ring a ring a rosy, a pocket full of posies. Asha, Asha, where are they?
You know I'm playing a game, it's too boring. Me could play bull in a pen.
Yeah. Alfie can be the bull because Alfie eat bull meat off your bull. Like a bull.
I'm a thumping in your eye now.
Wanna stop it? Wanna stop now? Would I never fall in love with that guy? But fight.
Good.
Look here. Wanna try stop the fighting, you know. Me don't want Miss come out here and catch her. If she catch her, she gonna beat everybody.
And I sure, enough of fight. We're not gonna look like Dora and mix up our Mr. Straight. One lion after dog with a mongrel post.
Alright, me know. Make we play catch for kids.
I hear that. I'll catch
Just catch me here.
Come on, count to 5 and then when we run off here, you Gina, you not have to run because nobody running you down. Well, wait. 1, 2, 5.
Catch you. Kiss me.
No, do that. Just catch yourself. Kiss yourself.
You see me and catch me.
Never.
You catch her, Alfie, you catch her.
Achoo, kiss her.
Alfie, all you have to do is shut your eye and pretend that is Lisa.
I'm an alpha.
Same difference.
Kiss her.
Alright, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the John Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video. But I don't see no much comment.
Yes.
So they need to comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You see
Alright?
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.